Guys, I received my package. I finally received it. So, this is actually confirmed. This is the first package for 2021. you know, because I purchased this. I paid for this like I think a couple like weeks ago. Back then in December. Yeah, and it got finally arrived here in my place. So Uh, anyways, I'm not sure this is actually confirmed NB Toy Santa, but we'll see what happens when I open it, and I will tell you guys. It is actually confirmed. It is a NB Toy Santa. Anyways, I have to actually tell you a little bit of update what's been going on in my house. Basically, on Friday, my grandparents got the final results, and they got tested positive for the coronavirus. So I'm just basically stuck here in my room for until next week, which is like the incubation process will be done in that point. So in 24 hours, I opened my room. I'm not open my room. I actually opened my window so I can get proper ventilation in my room. So that's a good thing. And I always wear mask and face shield whenever I go out of my room. What, for example, like going out to uh, eat food, and then when I bring it back here, and I just spray myself with rubbing uncle. So yeah, that's pretty much what I have to deal with today at this moment. But well, we are stay strong and vigilant. That's the much important thing. So, anyways, yeah, let's go back to the package because I've been waiting for this for quite some year, uh, quite some weeks. Because this Bell Santa is not mine. It's actually Ivan. I'm giving him to Ivan, which is a good thing. I love helping people. That's good. Wait, hold on. Ah! Oh my gosh! The seller, the seller so kind. She actually gave me a small Santa figure. I think. Oh, you can actually put. Oh, you can actually put light inside it. I think it's one of those like Santa that you can actually put light. Oh, that's so amazing! Thank you. That's so nice. Oh, another letter. Oh, thank you, Daniel. Merry Xmas. That's so kind. Hold on. I don't know. You can. Yeah. There we go. That's so kind. Thank you. That's so kind. That's a bonus. Hold on. Wow. Oh wow. Hold on. OMG. My gosh. Oh, the body is actually white plastic. Hmm. Yeah, sadly, the seller doesn't have the battery cover. Oh well. But I can tell if this is actually NB Toys, so I can actually open it later on to find out, you know. And I'm gonna actually install some batteries too as well. Hold on, let me pause this video. There we go. I actually installed some batteries, so I'm gonna test it out. Test it out for you guys. So cool. Wait, hold on. Sorry. Oh, there we go. Wow, that's just so cool. Yeah, in the video, when the seller actually sent me the video, it was fully working, and I think, I think actually this seller hasn't used this for a long time. You know, that's why it's just works so perfectly. Despite the loud ticking noise, I think that's one of the gears are uh, about to split on something. You know, yeah. That's it. That's what I'm showing you guys. And a big shout out to Alu Ina. If I butcher your name, sorry. Yeah, I apologize it, but thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Alu Ina. Here we go. Alright, see you guys and have a nice day. Thank you.